Most audio dramas, they're a very shallow depth of field. You've got a very present voices, you have a very few very specific sound effects, and then that's it. We don't work that way. We try and fill in the depth of field all the way back to infinity.
We occasionally do use library effects for our sound effects, but it's pretty rare. Most of the time we go out and record almost everything ourselves. A natural environment is really wonderful because it really sounds like you're outdoors, you're in nature, you're wherever you are. On the downside, you have to wait for that plane that's 15 miles away to clear the area that you can hear. So one of our characters is John Lackland, and he's kind of a starchy, uptight guy. So we have all of these clothes that have a particular sound. His shoes, they're sort of hard and tappy sounding, and really crummy Savage 410 Shotgun 22 combination is our most valuable prop because it's such a piece of junk, we don't mind dropping it. One of the sound effects choices that we used to delineate the character of Jeru is I presented him as wearing these tiger bells. So when I did the sound effects and the Foley footwork for him, I wore this belt of tiger bells, and I sort of dangled these little tiger bells from my hands. So this is what we call a foot Foley series. This is a pattern that we go through that gives us a little bit of all the different elements that we would cut together to do a scene. I would stop, I would do a little bit of variation like you're walking across a real floor. When you listen to the show and you hear anybody walking, running, jumping, falling, okay, that's me doing all of that Foley work and those sort of stunts and things like that. I'm going to run along the deck over there. I'm going to simulate a fight, and then I'm going to burst through that screen with my nose.
We want people to have this immersive experience where it's the reality of the space. We're really trying to recreate, if you were there, what would it sound like? What would it be like?